Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Let's kick off this trading day strong. I got a few charts that hit my radar. Anyone watching the videos for the first time, I referenced the yearly chart, the 20, the 50, and the 200-day moving average. It makes it simple to follow, and I find it quite effective, in my opinion. So the first one I want to highlight is JUNS. It's about 28 cents a share, right around there. It's about ready to test the 20-day moving average, which is right around 30. A lot of people are looking for, if it pops 30, could run right up to 35 cents and test that 50. And it's key to get over these moving averages. I mean, once you clear those two moving averages, it's got a lot of room to run, and I think it's kind of gearing up for that. So it's definitely one to leave on, put on your radar. You can pick up any of these dips along the way. I think it's down, very slightly at the moment on pre-market, but I see a lot of people just jumping in and grabbing these cheapies. So keep that one on your radar. The next one is LASE 242. I've had this one highlighted. Strong move yesterday, and it closed above the 200-day moving average, which is 226. If it can hold that as support, which is key, I think it can push off and really fly. If it, breaks below the, say, 225 mark, I'd probably take a pause on it, just because, you got to be careful of people, taking the profit taking, and you can have a trickle effect per se. But if it holds that support line, I think this one could really continue strong. PLUG, I've highlighted this one as well, back in the $3 range. Beautiful chart. It's a great looking chart. All three moving averages are lined up, 20 on top of the 50, on top of the 200, and it's just carrying this price higher, nice and steady. Wins the race, as they say. So we closed at 409 yesterday. It's just been holding the 20-day moving average as support, like it should, and it just keeps on going. So I think 450 is quite possible for near term this week to test it, and next foot after that would be 5. It's just like nice and steady. I love charts like this. URG is the next one, 210. Strong push off the 20-day moving average really got my attention. It was just a strong push, and it's now testing the highs in the chart. I think you might see continuation on this today, just because I think it closed up near its highs, and that's always a great sign to me. So GGB 489. Strong looking chart as well. It's been using the 20-day support line as, a launching point per se, and it pushed off it strong, and it's testing its highs. Break 5, and this would really go. It brings out a lot more attention. There's a lot of traders that don't touch anything under 5. A lot of institutions don't. But once it crosses 5, you're going to get a lot more attention. So I like that one a lot. SIDU, I've highlighted this one. This has been a great runner. 491. It did pull back and tested the 20-day moving average at 441, which I love to see, because if it does that and it bounces back like this one has, then it's a very healthy chart. Look for a push off, and 575 was the recent highs on the chart. This one, can really fly when the buys come in. So if it breaks below 440, I would definitely take a pause on it. Maybe move on from it, because it's the first sign that the chart might be breaking down. But as for now, I really like this one. BB is another one I've highlighted back a few dollars ago. 1032 it closed at. Continues to climb up the chart with no end in sight. If you look at the chart, it's just almost straight up. Every day it's just making gains. Every dip gets bought up. It's crazy move on that one. Next stop 11. I don't see why it won't hit it. Until the chart tells me no, there's no reason to think this won't continue higher. The last one I have is AMD, $521.54. I know it's a high price one, but it doesn't matter. I mean, you put the money where the chart is. If the chart looks great, that's where you want to put your money. This chart is just spectacular. Nice steady climb. Now it's testing its highs in the chart. 550 looks quite reasonable at this point, and then next stop is 600. So money's money. You put your money in, it's you can make strong percentage on the $100 stocks just as well as the $2 stocks. So always keep that in mind. Have a great trading day, everybody. Make sure to look at some of the past videos. I've had some really good calls. Some fall flat. That's part of the trading. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own due diligence, and have a great day, and I'll see you later.